Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, I'm Sindri P6A. Have you ever wondered, do we need to preserve our Indonesian traditional games? What and why? My answer is yes. In details, our country, Indonesia, is an archipelago consisting of many ethnic groups with varied cultures. Examples of Indonesia traditional games are Ular Naga Panjang, Benteng, Congklak, Bekel, and many more that I can't mention here. Playing traditional games make us train our motor skills, courage, solidarity, and teamwork with our fellow playmates. By preserving it, the next generation can stay connected to their cultural identity and become a part of a valuable cultural heritage. It's important for us as an Indonesian to stay connected with the cultural heritage of the past so that our culture won't go extinct. That's all. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.